Many people ask, what is the age of the universe? I think many scientists say that uh, 15 billion years. That is called the deep time. So now, what is the age of the planet Earth? Again, the scientists say that 4.5 billion years. In other words, 4,500 million years. So, in Indian terms, 450 crore years ago, 4.5 billion. So, it's a vast amount of time you can't grasp with your brain structure. Still, it escapes. We can't wrap Our brain can't wrap around the deep time. But anyway, I'll try to explain through the geologic time scale. That is the easy way to make sense of this vast amount of time. So actually, 4.5 billion years is divided into eons, eras, periods, and epochs. So that is how we can explain the concept of deep time. So the eons, they are divided into four. Hadean, that is the oldest. Hadean means hell, fire. Earth was under fire. And then came Archean. Archean means archaebacteria, very, very primitive, maybe very, very simple cell forms. That is probably 3.8 billion years we are talking about. Hadean is 4.5 billion, okay? Archean is 3.8. And then the third eon is Proterozoic. That is also very, very prototype of visible life. So we can't see life at the time. Very primitive. It is not visible at all. So then comes the fourth eon called Phanerozoic. We can see life with our own eyes. So eons are four, as I told you. Hadean, Archean, Proterozoic, Phanerozoic. Then comes eras. Eras is divided into another three sections. Paleozoic means old life. It comprises of 600 million to all the way to 245 million years. And then comes Mesozoic era. That comprises from 245 to all the way to 65 million years. And then comes Cenozoic era, which comprises of 66 million to present time. And then periods. Periods are divided in a big list of names. So the Paleozoic era is comprised of Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Mississippian, Pennsylvanian, Permian. That is a Paleozoic. Mesozoic divided into Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. The last Cenozoic is divided into Tertiary and Quaternary. Tertiary is further divided into Neogene and Paleogene. So Tertiary begins probably 65 million years to the present time, and Quaternary begins probably like 2 million years. And the Tertiary is divided into, as I told you, Paleogene and Neogene. Paleogene is 65 million to 58 million. 66 million to 37 million. And come Neogene, it's about 24 million, 2.5 million. So then we talk about epochs. They are included only for Cenozoic, the latest recent life. So they are divided into Paleocene, Eocene, Oligocene, Miocene, Pliocene, and Pleistocene and Holocene. Did it make any sense to you? It doesn't make any sense to me. It's very hard, but that is what geologic scale is all about. And you have to read and you have to put in your brain and wrap your brain for a long time. It's not going to make any sense. My talk doesn't make any sense, but I'm creating an awakening in you just to go and open the internet and see the picture of the geologic time scale, and you read yourself, and that will make sense to you. So this is awakening. Every human being should be awakened to this vast amount of time. As we were taught in Christianity, it's like about 4,000 years of history is no longer, we can hold on to that. That is 100% wrong. But the science, I think science is telling the truth, and religions, they far from truth. So let us open the geologic time scale and see for yourself and find the truth for yourself, because the truth will not be told by authorities. It has to be always hidden in the form of dogmas and other stuff, rituals. They want to hide the truth from every human being. But please, go and dig it for yourself and be enlightened and create awakening in you. Then only we can understand where we come from, what are we doing, and where are we going. Thank you. Bye.